Hello guys, welcome back to Study FX channel. On this channel, it's all about forex trading, crypto trading, and binary trading. As I promised, we're starting off our journey of learning forex as a beginner. So get your notebooks ready and let's get started. Disclaimer: trading forex has risks and you could lose all your money you invest. Make sure you understand how trading works and know the risks before you start. This information in this video is just for learning and it's not financial advice. If you're not sure, it's a good idea to talk to a financial expert. Remember, past results don't guarantee future success. So the topic that we are going to cover on this video is what is forex trading, what is forex market, who are the players in forex, what are the forex trading hours and advantage of trading forex. The first thing that we need to know here is what is forex trading. Forex trading, also known as forex or FX, is the largest financial market in the world. Forex exchange trading is the process of buying and selling different currencies to make a profit. Think of it as like trading one type of money for another, such as exchanging US dollars for euros. The goal is to buy a currency when its value is low and sell it when the value goes up. Traders do this by predicting how currency will change in value based on things like economic news or global events. For example, if you think the US dollar will get stronger compared to the euro, you might buy dollars now and sell them later when they are worth more. The difference in price is your potential profit. So let me show you a bit as we continue. So what you need to do here, you can choose to buy when it's here. Let me use this one. So before that, I need to change to a bit better time frame. So let me come here so that I can show you well. So you can choose to buy the US dollar when it's here. You can choose to buy when it's low in value, and when it comes up here, you sell and make the profit. So the difference between here 1.095 and 1.092, the difference is your profit. So that's how forex. So let's get to the second one. So the second one is what is the forex market, of which it's almost the same as forex there. Introduction. The forex market, or the foreign exchange market, is a global marketplace where people, businesses, and banks trade different currencies. It's the largest financial market in the world, where currencies like a US, Euro, Japanese, and others are bought and sold. In simple terms, it's where you exchange one currency for another. Like if you're traveling to another country and you need to swap your money for their currency, traders in the forex market make money by buying currency when they are low in value and selling them when they go up, like the example I have showed you earlier. So the next thing that we need to identify here is the major players in the forex market. So one, central banks like Federal Reserve are responsible for managing their country's money supply and interest rate. They play a big role in the forex market by controlling the value of their currency. For example, they might raise or lower interest rates to make their currency stronger or weaker. Central bank can also directly buy or sell currency to keep it stable. For this one, you learn when you know how forex news affect the market. The next major player in the group is the commercial bank. Large commercial banks like JP Morgan Chase or HSBS are some of the biggest traders in the forex market. They trade huge amount of money every day, often on behalf of their clients or for their own profits. These banks help companies, investors, and other banks exchange currency. Their trades make up a large part of their daily activity in the forex market. So our third one is institutional investors. Institutional investors include hedge funds, pension funds, and big investment firms. These players buy and sell currency to manage their investments or to make money from changes in currency values. For example, a hedge fund might trade currency to profit from market fluctuation, while a pension fund may do it to protect its investments from currency risk. I hope you get that. And also the fourth one that we have here, it's corporation. Big international companies that do business in different countries also participate in the forex market. They need to exchange currency to pay suppliers or receive payment in foreign exchange. For example, a US company that imports goods from Europe might need to convert US dollars into euros. Companies also use the forex market to protect themselves from big changes in currency value, which could affect their profit. The retail traders. Retail traders are individuals like you and me who trade currencies to make a profit. They usually trade much smaller amount compared to bank, institution, and they do this through online brokers. Like we can't do with your own money. We have to rely on brokers. Retail traders use forex trading platform to speculate on whether a currency will rise or fall in value. Trying to earn money through these price changes are I think I have shown you the example of the forex trading of how you can buy low, sell high. Yeah. And also the good thing about forex, it works the same. Like if it's from the upper side, like it's high and it's becoming low, you can choose to buy when it's high and sell when it comes down. You can also make a profit. So the next thing that we need to know here is what are the forex trading hours. Since currency from around the world are always changing in time, the forex market operates 24 hours a day during the weekdays. That is from Monday to Friday, making it a fast-moving and dynamic market. It only closes down during the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. The forex market is the biggest and most active financial market in the world. Every day, more than 6.5 trillion is traded globally, which is even more than 5 trillion traded a few years ago. The forex market is classified as an over-the-counter OTC market because it operates electronically through a network of banks continuously running for 24 hours. So, and the last thing that we need to know here, it's advantage of trading forex. And before that, for hours, another thing that you need to know here, we are going to that in our next few videos. We are going to identify the session that we are going to use when trading forex, and the most reliable. So our last one is advantage of trading forex. Forex has high liquidity, that's why it's loved by so many people. So you can easily buy and sell without delays. It's a 24 hours market. You can trade anytime during the week. The transaction costs are low with small spreads and no extra fees. You can also use leverage to control large traders with less money. Unlike other markets, you can make a profit whether the market goes up or down. There are many currency pairs to choose from, offering a lot of trading options. The market is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by one exchange and is less likely to be manipulated. You don't need a lot of money to start trading, as many brokers allow small deposits. The market is transparent with easily accessible information. Plus, you can use different strategies depending on your style and preferences. So, guys, that's the first part of our session of forex trading. Make sure you watch my next few videos so that you can pick up and so that we can walk with you to the next part.